Welcome to the first of a new series I'm calling the Take 5 series. Every workout's just gonna be 5 minutes long. What the goal with this is that you can do as many Take 5 workouts as you want, pair them together for the length of time that you wanna get in a workout. Today is simple, I'm just throwing the timer on for 5 minutes. I'm mic'd up, so I'm gonna be taking you through it. Let's have some fun. All right, here we go. We only got 5 minutes, so give it everything you can. Start off with just some basic bounce. All right, take a quick rest. And then we're gonna go into some push-ups. There we go. Try to get at least 10. Controlled and slow. Pick up our jump rope and get right back into it. Let's do some alternate leg. Feel free to throw in crisscross if you want. Kind of just what feels good, really. We're already a minute 30 in. Keep working hard. Let's take it to the 2-minute mark. We're gonna go right into bodyweight squats. 10 seconds. Two, one. All right, ropes down, bodyweight squats. Down to parallel, keeping your weight evenly distributed through your foot. Doing 30 seconds of this. Two, one, back to the rope. Woo! It's getting hot out here. It was just cloudy a minute ago before I started this. All right, let's pick up some intensity, a little bit faster pace. Stay in control though. You don't want to be tripping all the time. By the way, if you are in need of a new jump rope, what I'm using today, and it's one of my favorites, is the Cross Rope Freestyle rope, the LE Freestyle, the PVC rope. It's really good for pretty much everything. I got a link down below with 15% off. Woo! Okay, 10 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Rest it up. How you doing? Let's go back into push-ups. Ready? Go. All right, back to the rope. Whew. Remember, you can take a break anytime you need it. We only have a minute left, so let's go. Finish it out with some rope. High intensity as you can. Maybe throw in some fun. Whew. That's what I'm talking about. I hope you keep showing up and taking 5 with me as this list of workouts grows. You're gonna be able to pair various workouts together to the length of workout that you desire. And to see how easy fitness can be and how fun it can be. 5 seconds left, and then we're done. Let's go. Boom. Thank you for taking 5 with me today. I'll see you in the next one.